Hey guys, and welcome to episode 2 of Free Avatars vs Paid Avatars. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make an amazing free avatar that looks better than paid avatars. So to start off with this avatar, you're going to want to make the t-shirt. So you want to download the t-shirt image linked in the description and follow what I do.
I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep.
So now you want to choose the file and click upload. Now follow what I do to make the avatar.
My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel scared.
And there you go. As you can see, it looks much better than the paid avatar shown. Anyways, thanks for watching episode 2 of Free Avatars vs Paid Avatars, and I'll see you in the next video.
Fire spreading all around.